So we started about 2.5 years ago. Kind of unofficially started from just wanted to kind of give back to the community and in a way that I knew how, and I was a developer and worked with a bunch of developers, so we knew that there was like a huge shortage for this type of thing, and schools weren't necessarily teaching it and stuff like that. We've had parents that I've talked to that like, oh, I really wish there was ways for my kid to get into these things. There's really nothing, or there's only something like once a year, stuff like that. So we said like, okay, why don't we give it a shot? I think like 3 kids showed up the first time, but enough that they came, they loved it. They're like, oh, we're going to tell our buddies. So we kind of said, okay, let's keep on going. So we did that for like 1.5 years, a little bit longer. And then we said, okay, we really kind of got something here. So about 6 months ago, we incorporated as an actual nonprofit. And now that we're a nonprofit, now we're starting to apply for grants, looking for funding, things like that. And it's kind of grown into what you see today. Now we're actually in the process, especially doing camps, of making our own curriculum. So Scratch is good and we have tutorials, but it's not structured. Like our handouts that we do in these club events and stuff aren't actually structured in the sense of when you come for a week-long March break camp, you need to like progress every day, and there needs to be some sort of more like school type stuff where at the end of the week you really accomplished a big project or something like that. And we're actually working on that as we speak. So here they kind of do their own thing. We kind of guide them, but since it's more run like a club and it's not like a teacher standing in the front of the room, we have to kind of let them just learn on their own and dabble. And we have some kids that come and never come back and realize like this just isn't for me.